When you've tried an outfit formula and would like to upload a picture, you can do so from the outfit card. Let's say you're trying the outfit of the day and want to add a photo of yourself wearing the outfit. To do this, tap the outfit card. If you've already customized the outfit with pieces from your closet, you'll only need to tap Edit. Next, tap Add Photos. You can select up to 2 photos to share with your upload. The additional photo could be an up-close photo of your earrings, your shoes, or your hairstyle. Once you've selected and added the photo or photos you'd like to use, you can use the star to choose which photo will be displayed as the main image. You can use your photo or the outfit flat lay. If you've previously saved a customized flat lay, you can tap the X to remove this photo from the outfit card. Otherwise, 2 pictures of the flat lay will save with your image. Scroll down to select the visibility. Either all members so other members can be inspired by this outfit, or private so it's visible only to you. You also have the option to grant front fighters permission to share your images anonymously on social media or in blog posts as inspiration for other moms. If you'd like to do that, check the box here. You will need to read and agree to certain conditions. Once you've made all of your selections, tap Update. You can also add a photo to an outfit you haven't customized yet. Let's navigate to the calendar page and add a photo to the outfit for June 3rd. To add a photo, tap the outfit, toggle My Pieces, and tap Customize. Tap Add Photos and select the photos you'd like to add to this outfit. Star the image you'd like to use as the main image, and make any adjustments to the outfit that you'd like. And tap Save. Back on the calendar page, we can see the updated image. You can also upload a photo without starting from an outfit card. On the Outfits page or the calendar page, simply tap the pink plus sign at the bottom right to get started. Next, upload your photos. From here, we can use the Outfit Breakdown dialog box to find the main components of the outfit. Here, I'm wearing neutral jeans and a print blouse. I'll start by typing neutral jeans in the dialog box and selecting them. You can either keep adding pieces this way in the dialog box, or you can view the outfits the interactive has found that use those pieces. We'll tap here. If you're unsure whether the outfit is a match, hover over the eye to get a closer look. We see that outfit 60 is a match, so I'll tap here and scroll back up. From here, you can add, remove, and swap the pieces within the existing formula to match your outfit. To start, I'm going to remove the moto jacket and the tote. Let's say you want to swap the print blouse for another print blouse you have in your closet. Simply click on the print blouse, and you can select between the options you've customized. If you haven't yet customized this piece within your closet, but want to do so now, you can simply tap Add New, upload your photo, crop and remove the background, and tap Submit. Since I'm wearing this mint print blouse in the photo, we won't make any changes to this piece. However, I do want to swap the shoes and swap the earrings. You can continue to use this dialog box to search for and find the pieces you want to see. However, you can tap this search tool here to search visually for items. If you have more than one closet, you can choose to filter by closet here. You can also search by clothing category. Let's select shoes, and we'll scroll through the options to find the pumps. Once you have the outfit pieces as you like them, star the main image and tap Save. It's important not to close the window while the outfit's saving. Once the message at the top of the screen is gone, you can close the window, or it will close for you. To change any of the settings on the images that you've uploaded, click the top right menu and navigate to Manage My Outfits. From here, you can select any of the images you've uploaded to change the visibility settings. You can also delete outfits from here and add outfits. Another way you can see all of the outfits that you've saved and customized is to navigate to the Outfits page and select the Mine option along the bottom. Be sure that any filters you've selected on the left-hand side of the page are clear to ensure that all of your saved outfits are displayed. You can also create a catalog of favorite outfits by marking the outfits as saved using the little bookmark here. To easily view your saved outfits, navigate to the Saved Outfits tab. You can use this feature to create a collection of your favorite outfits. And that is how to upload your outfit pictures and create a collection of favorite outfits.